Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit sunset filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to 0.50. Contrast to -63. Highlights to -5. Shadows to -57. Whites to 7. And blacks to -53. Next, go to Curve. In this preset, just set the white curve. And I made this curve before. You can pause this video to make it. You can also get this preset for free, just find the password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 4. Tint to 28. Vibrance to -11. And saturation to -14. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 44. Saturation to 9. Blending to 100. And balance to 42. For highlights, hue to 32. And saturation to 5. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 22. Saturation to -8. And luminance to -21. For orange, hue to -14. Saturation to 18. And luminance to 16. For yellow, hue to -54. Saturation to 32. And luminance to -30. For green, hue to -26. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -29. For aqua, hue to 100. Saturation to 41. and luminance to -30. For blue, hue to 78. Saturation to 29. And luminance to 18. For purple, hue to 16. Saturation to -25. And luminance to 24. For pink, hue to 53. Saturation to -14. And luminance to 22. Next, go to Effects. Texture to -14. Clarity to 16. And to His to 14. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 20. Noise reduction to 32. Detail to 81. Contrast to 16. And color noise reduction to 50. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.